Dear students, today let's study the continuation of solving of equations. In the last two classes, we studied the method of solving. After this module, you will be able to understand the method of solving different types of equations. Okay, let's start solving an equation part 3. The first question is solve the following equations. A question, 4 into 2 minus x equal to 8. Here 4 into 2 minus x is in the LHS and 8 is in the RHS. For solving this equation, we have to transport this 4 and 2 to RHS, from LHS to RHS. For doing this, first we transpose 4. 4 into 2 minus x, that is multiplied by 4. First we transpose multiplied by 4. Then it becomes divided by 4 like this. 8 divided by 4. 2 minus x equal to 8 divided by 4. Then 2 minus x equal to 8 divided by 4 is 2. In the next step, we transpose 2. Here 2 minus x, that is 2 subtracted x. So, the sign of 2 is plus. We transpose this 2 from LHS to RHS. Then 2 becomes minus 2. Then remaining there not x, minus x. Listen very carefully. Remaining minus x. Minus x equal to 2 minus 2. That is minus x equal to 2 minus 2 is 0. Minus x equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 0. No sign for 0, positive or negative. So, we write it as x equal to 0. Next question B. Minus 4 into 2 plus x equal to 8. Here, we transpose minus 4. Minus 4 into 2 plus x. That is multiplied minus 4. Multiplied minus 4 on transposing, multiplied minus 4 becomes divided by minus 4. You don't change the sign of 4. You change multiplication into division. So 2 plus x equal to 8 divided by minus 4. 2 plus x equal to minus 2. 8 divided by minus 4 is minus 2. Then 2 plus x equal to, we transpose 2. 2 becomes minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2. X equal to minus 4 is the answer. Okay, C question. 4 equal to 5 into p minus 2. Here, in the LHS only 4 and in RHS 5 into p minus 2. So, for solving easily, we change the position of LHS and RHS like this. 5 into p minus 2 equal to 4. No change in the sign. We change all the terms. 5 into p minus 2 equal to 4. Then in the next step, p minus 2 into 5. 5 into p minus 2, that is multiplied 5. It becomes divided by 5. P minus 2 equal to 4 divided by 5. Then next step, we transpose minus 2 to RHS. That is 4 by 5 plus 2. Minus 2 becomes plus 2. No denominator there, so we put by 1. In the next step, we cross multiply. 1 into 4 plus 5 into 2 whole divided by 5 into 1. 1 into 4 is 4. 4 plus 10 divided by 5. 4 plus 10 is 14. 14 by 5, no common number. So, we write it as 14 by 5. Next, move to D question. 16 equal to 4 plus 3 into t plus 2. Here also in the LHS only 16 no variable. So, we change the position. That is 4 plus 3 into t plus 2 equal to 16. 4 plus 3 into t plus 2. 4 coming the variable in LHS. In this case, 4 plus, then addition 4, that is plus 4 becomes minus 4, like this. First we transpose plus 4, then it becomes minus 4. 3 into t plus 2 equal to 12. Next we transpose 3 into t plus 2. Multiplied 3 becomes divided by 3. T plus 2 equal to 12 divided by 3. T plus 2 equal to 4. Next we transpose plus 2. T equal to 4 minus 2. Plus 2 becomes minus 2. Equal to 2 is the answer. Next question. All the questions are different. 4 plus 5 into p minus 1 equal to 34. Here variable in the LHS. So no problem, no change. We continue. 4 plus 5 into p minus 1 equal to 34. First we transpose 4. 4 becomes minus 4. 5 into p minus 1 equal to 34 minus 4. 5 into p minus 1 equal to 34 minus 4 is 30. Next we transpose 5 into p minus 1 multiplied 5. Then it becomes divided by 5. P minus 1 equal to 30 divided by 5. P minus 1 equal to 6. Next we transpose minus 1. It becomes plus 1. 6 plus 1 equal to 7 is the answer. Next F question. 0 equal to 16 plus 4 into m minus 6. Here also variable in the RHS. So we change the position. Variable in the LHS. 16 plus 4 into m minus 6 equal to 0. Next step, we transpose 16. 16 becomes minus 16. Like this, minus 16. Next step, 4 into m minus 6 equal to minus 16. 4 into m minus 6 multiplied by 4 becomes divided by 4. M minus 6 equal to minus 16 divided by 4. Divided by 4. Then my m minus 6 equal to minus 4. Minus 4. Then m minus 6 equal to minus 4. M equal to minus 6 becomes plus 6. Minus 4 plus 6. That is m equal to 2. Next another question. Construct 3 equations starting with x equal to 2. In the last class, all the classes we studied solve the equation. Now we have given the solution, that is x equal to 2 is given. We want to make questions, equations by using x equal to 2. Very simple. We construct 3 equations. Listen, x equal to 2. Then in the next step, we multiply 2. We multiply 2 on both sides. That is 2 into x equal to 2 into 2. We multiply LHS and RHS by 2. Then 2 into x equal to 2 into 2. 2 into x is 2x. 2x equal to 4 is an equation. Very simple. 2x equal to 4. Another equation. Our solution is x equal to 2. Next step, x plus 2. That is, we add plus 2. We add 2 in LHS and RHS. X plus 2 in the LHS. Then add 2 in RHS also. 2 plus 2. X plus 2 equal to 4. This is the second equation. Very simple. Next third one. Our solution is x equal to 2. Next x minus 2. We subtract 2 from LHS. And we subtract 2 from RHS. 2 minus 2. X minus 2 equal to 2 minus 2 is 0. Very simple. We do the same thing in LHS and RHS. We can use any number, 100, 1000, lakh, any number we can use. We can add, subtract or multiply or divide any number. Then form an equation. Next, third question. Construct 3 equations starting with x equal to minus 2. Here the solution is x equal to minus 2 and we do one work on both LHS and RHS. Here 3 into x. 3 into x. That is LHS multiplied with 3. So RHS multiplied with 3. minus 2 into 3 or 3 into minus 2. 3x equal to minus 6. Very simple. Next question. Solution is x equal to minus 2. Then x plus 10. LHS is added by 10. RHS is also added by 10. Minus 2 plus 10. X plus 10 equal to 8. Next, x equal to 2 is the next same solution. We add 50 to LHS. We add 50 to RHS. X plus 50 equal to 48. Okay. These are about solving of equations. Next, we have a follow-up activity. Very simple question. You already studied from 6th class. How many composite numbers between 1 and 100, not including 1 and 100. How many composite numbers between 1 and 100? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.